Hello, welcome to Editing Reports in Word. Standards are, again, formatting documents, specifically reports, in Word, demonstrating the use of formatting features such as indents for both first line and hanging, as well as double spacing your lines. Your objective is to update a style in Word, to set up a style correctly to format the body of a report, and to create a style to format the works cited section of a report. Editing a style in Word. Well, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and format our report so that we can go ahead and set up the um, editing. Alright, we're going to go back and use Plains Indians again to format our report. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put our styles in it. Your title should be title style. Your name or the subtitle that's already on there should be a subtitle. Your headings should all be heading 1. However many headings you have will all be heading 1. Works cited will also be a title style. Alright, well this is kind of what we did more or less except for the page numbers, which we'll do later. Once you've gotten this far, you can go ahead and decide what color you want for your report. Now if you don't have a color printer, it doesn't do any good, but if you're turning it in like say online like we do, then the colors will be cool because you can personalize them that way. I'm going to go ahead and go with this pink. The other thing you want to do is go ahead and change your style set. Now remember, if you pick the wrong style set, say, we'll just go ahead and go with, where is it at? Elegant, because that one actually requires a little bit of fixing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the next step. To edit a style in Word, you need to format the text and paragraph the way you want the style to appear. Then you're going to right-click on the style you want to edit and select Update to Match. Watch while I do this. Alright, so our paragraphs are all wonky. They shouldn't be this way. So we're going to click on this, go into the Paragraph tab right here, or Paragraph group right here. Click on the Paragraph button to pull up the Paragraph dialog box. We want to make sure that we have a first line indent. We want to make sure that our line spacing is double. We want to make sure that our indentation is actually 0 because we don't want it way over there where it's at. We want it to actually be flush with the margin. And we're going to click on OK. Well, now everything in the first paragraph looks exactly the way we would on a paragraph to look. We're going to find the normal style. We're going to right click on it and we're going to update normal to match selection. Now notice how all the other body paragraphs are the same. Alright, remember that we want to do that with everything that needs to be fixed. So for instance, the title should have a 72 point before so that it simulates that 2-inch margin. We're going to go back here, we're going to find the title style, we're going to right click and we're going to update title to match. Now our title at the bottom, the works cited, is also updated. With our headings, we need to go into paragraph. We need to take out that first line indent because it's not supposed to be first line indented. And we need to make sure that we put 12 points after to simulate the double space after as well. Click on OK. Right click on heading 1. Update heading 1 to match. Boom. All of it's done. Alright. So now we've got the top of the, or the main part of the report more or less formatted. Alright, so now we need to create a whole new style for our citations. To create a new style, you're going to select the text that you want to format with your new style. You're going to set the style the way you want the new style to appear. Then you're going to click on the More button in the Styles gallery, click on Select Save Selection as a new quick style. You're going to name the quick style, you're going to click on OK, and then you're going to format all the text you want formatted with that style. I would suggest you go back later on and copy down all those steps somewhere so you don't lose them. But let's just go ahead and take this first citation. We're going to click on the paragraph dialog box. Remember that your citations are going to be formatted exactly like the body of the paragraph except for the one thing. Instead of being first line, it's going to be a hanging indent. You're going to click on OK. Then you're going to come up here to this More button right here. and you're going to click on it. And you're going to come down here and it says Save Selection as a New Quick Style. And you're going to click on that. And then you're going to name it, in this case, Citations. Alright, make sure that whatever name you use makes sense to what you're trying to do. Then you're going to click on OK. Alright, then highlight all of the other citations, click on Citations, and boom. Alright, at this point we are almost done formatting the report. The next step is to go ahead and format our page numbers. Alright, so the first page is going to be the bottom center. And the second and all other pages should be the top.
Bus 23 has just arrived and they're eating breakfast.
The top right. This report is now ready to be